Hello friends, so in this video we will solve this problem. Insert a node at a specific position in a linked list. So they have given a data which we have to put in our node and a position at which we have to put our node. So we'll jump to the function. Here you will see there are three parameters: head, data and position, where head contains the head of the linked list, data is the data which we have to put in our node, and position is the position at which we have to put our node, and the return type is singly linked list, that is the modified linked list. We have to return the head of the modified linked list. So we will start. So here we will create a new node first. Using malloc, and the size of this new node will be size of the pointer and the size of int. So the summation of these two sizes will be the size of our new node. So we will put this data part in our new node, that is new node arrow data will be equal to data. So here we have to put our node at a specific position. So we will use to reach that position, we will use while loop to reach that position. So for that we will just initialize I equal to 1, and we will use while loop while I less than position. So whenever this condition is true, we will just increment our I, and we will take a traverse variable, that is singly linked list trav, and we will initialize this trav variable with head, that is the head of the linked list. And so we will also modify this trav on each iteration of this while loop. So whenever I is less than position, we will just assign the value of trav arrow next to our trav variable. So whenever this while loop completes, we will reach to the node which is previous to this position. So we can insert a new node at the given position. So whenever this while loop completes, we have to do new node arrow next equal to trav arrow next, and we have to make another modification, that is trav arrow next equal to new node. So after this we just have to return the head. So this is the completion of our function. Here we have missed a semicolon of our function. We will just run if it is okay. So you will see first three conditions are passed. We will submit. So all the conditions are passed. So this is the code you can write to solve this problem. So if you are still not understood this, you can do the paperwork and do this while loop, so you will get a better idea how this is going to work. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.